Good morning, Muscle Car Corner here. It's Friday. We got some nice cars coming over the block. Look at this thing. 572 Hemi Challenger convertible. Wow. What a nice piece. Right out of the gates. Mach 1. We got some cars heading out up the block here. Let's take a look at some of these amazing cars coming through today. Beautiful little 56. Four-speed. Anybody needs a Bentley, we got one of those as well today. Really nice Firebird 400. Man. Nice little rumpy rump 400. But it's I forget it's a stroker or something. 455 in it. Really nice 442. That thing's bad. Looks the part and plays the part. Nasty. Let's listen to this little AMC with a 440 in it. Pretty sweet. Let me hear this thing. That's a neat build, I tell you. Chrysler in it. Big wedge. All right, we're going to get up on the block and take a look at some of these Really nice cars, though. Stay tuned for the next video. Muscle Car Corner out.